Here at Colton RV and Marine, we still have 2023s in the lot. What does that mean? It means they have to go. Like this Van Lee Beacon 39 GBB made by Tiffin Motorhomes. This thing has full body paint and a super luxurious interior. We also have this Coachman Encore. This is a perfect couples coach for you to take on your adventures. You're gonna love this floor plan. This Thor Challenger 36 FA is a beautiful gas motorhome with a perfect floor plan for you and your family. We also have a couple other 23s like this Thor Miramar 34.7 and this Class C Cross Trail 26XG. Don't forget about our Orchard Park location in New York where we have 2023s left. Now we also have our Lehigh Valley dealership down in Pennsylvania. This is your chance to own a brand new RV for some of the best prices in the country, and you still get full factory warranties. You can stop in and see us so we can find the perfect 2023 for you and your family so you can get out camping.